Introducing MariApps eRBooks. Digitalize MARPOL record books for your fleet with MariApps eRBooks. Type approved by and flags approved. eRBooks empowers you to comply with the MARPOL regulations and adapt to tamper-proof, error-free electronic record keeping. Why eRBooks? eRBooks is fully compliant with the IMO Resolution MEPC 312 under MARPOL and enable companies to replace traditional paper-based record books. Access the data from any device on board, anytime. The recorded data is communicated to the shore offices and is used for data analysis to improve compliance of your organization. Alleviate the administrative burden and hassles that come with paper records. Increase credibility and traceability of all MARPOL-related operations. Organizations can achieve the environmental commitments with the analyzed data and enhances decision-making. eRBooks is integrated with smartPAL applications and can work as a standalone application as well. Key features: multi-layer authentication with role-based access control, automatic calculations and validations of entries, provision to upload flag circulars and attachments, automatic data backup and retention, print out entries in the format specified by the relevant MARPOL annex. Reminders for pending tasks. Dashboard display with overview of important tasks. Automated analytical reports. Regular software updates and support. Need accurate and tamper-proof MARPOL records? Adopt MariApps eRBooks. Schedule a demo today. Visit www.mariapps.com to learn more.